Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a rectangle. Then, none this fill color. Pick up the stroke color. Increase this stroke value. Now select this pointer and drag. Hold shift and rotate. Select this object and take reflect tool. Vertically 90 degrees, then copy. Hold shift and adjust perfectly. Select those and go to object, expand. Again go to object, path, offset path, and increase this size. Select all and check shape builder tool and displace all unnecessary part.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget press the bell icon for more updates.